Hey, guys. That's no way to talk to a moon.
Well, you can go if you don't like it. Actually, it might be best if you leave.
Well, I'm just saying, it seems a little grotesque. Out of control. Kind of inconsiderate to the moon. I don't know, oh my God, is that Your Majesty Jackson? Oh my God.
Laser, cannon.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, you better run. Laser Wolf.
Hey, Blazer, how's it going?
It's not going anywhere. Where's Your Majesty?
I don't know, but I bet you ain't know that Barry Gordy produced The Last Dragon.
Oh my God.
She ain't know.
What's good, Blazer?
Nothing's good, Yeti. Have you seen Your Majesty? He's either giving me my money back or I'm taking his legs.
You leave Your Majesty's legs alone. We're about to perform together.
Your Majesty, you better give me my money back.
Never. Oh!
Wait, what is happening?
I'm about this close to f***ing y'all shit all the way up.
Hold up. Did you guys hear that?
I'll hear.
Shut the f up. Something is really wrong. Hello, my name is Blazer Wolf.
Hi, girl. My name is Luna. And these spinners got me up. I work hard, and these nerds got the nerve talking at me like I won't bust they. We'll see.
Oh, see, right there is where you messed up. These folk right here, they don't listen. Like, at all.
They don't. But that won't be a problem soon, because I'm about to slap this whole planet in the face.
Oh, shit. Hey, y'all need to stop this mess right now. The moon, not a fan, and is more than willing to come down here and make that clear. It's about to kill us all, and if I have to cancel my weave blowout sale because of this, I swear to God.
So you're able to understand it? I'm impressed. But I don't appreciate being impressed.
I think it's coming down to show its appreciation. About time.
Oh my God, you are so dumb. Women don't like being treated like objects, and objects don't like being treated like women being treated like objects.
You're making no sense. Go do your weave sale thing. We are gonna just continue making the moon happy, okay? As a matter of fact, I'm gonna make t-shirts.